Hey guys, welcome back to What's Munchy Crunchy here on YouTube. Guys, we are doing another ASMR video and today we are trying Dr. Pepper. Okay, and it should be noted, I love Dr. Pepper. Okay, if you want me to do more with different flavours, let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's do this. That was really nice. That was really nice. I'm so sorry, pardon me. I am so sorry, but I say again, I love Dr. Pepper, one of my favourite drinks. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. If you guys did like this video, please subscribe. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.